Welcome to IELTS. If you're aiming for a high score in IELTS Writing Task 1, avoiding common mistakes is key. Today, we'll cover 8 critical errors, with examples and tips to help you avoid them and boost your score. Mistake number 1, writing too few words. The instructions say, write at least 150 words. Writing too few may miss important details, while writing too much can add unnecessary information. Example: correct, a 152-word summary of key trends. Incorrect, a 95-word summary missing key details or a 250-word response with too much info. Tip: aim for 150 words and practice recognizing this length in your handwriting. Mistake number 2, misreading the diagram. Take 1 to 2 minutes to study the diagram. Focus on headings, labels, and units. Missing critical details like percentages or temperature units can lower your score. Example: correct, sales increased by 20%. Incorrect, sales increased by 20, missing percent. Tip: always double-check the units and numbers to avoid errors. Mistake number 3, skipping the overview sentence. After your introduction, add a summary sentence that highlights the main trends or features. Without it, you can't score higher than a 5 for task achievement. Example: the data shows a significant sales increase across all regions, peaking in 2022. Tip: include an overview sentence to ensure your score reflects your ability to summarize effectively. Mistake number 4, reporting data lacking variety. Don't just list numbers. Focus on comparisons, trends, and relationships. Example: correct, University A's enrollments rose sharply from 25 to 100, while University B's increased slightly from 20 to 30. Incorrect, University A enrollments 25 to 100th, University B enrollments 20 to 30. Tip: add variety by comparing trends and using descriptive language. Mistake number 5, overloading with details. Focus on major trends and skip minor fluctuations. Summarize key points and ignore small changes. Example: correct, car sales fluctuated between 1,000 and 1,500 units over 20 years. Incorrect, car sales increased by 5 units in January, decreased by 3 in February, and rose by 7 in March. Tip: stick to the big picture. Highlight the key trends. Mistake number 6, including opinions or assumptions. IELTS Task 1 requires an objective summary. Avoid personal opinions and assumptions. Example: correct, the graph shows a rise in population growth. Incorrect, population growth may be due to better healthcare policies. Tip: keep it factual. Just report the data as it is. Mistake number 7, repeating words and structures. Avoid repetition. Use synonyms and vary your sentence structures to show language proficiency. Example: correct, the data shows a significant rise in sales. Sales increased dramatically. Incorrect, there was a rise in sales. Sales rose again. Tip: use a variety of words and sentence structures to enhance your writing. Mistake number 8, skipping proofreading. Always allocate 3 minutes to proofread your work. Check for spelling errors, grammar mistakes, and informal language. Checklist: are units and symbols included? Is there variety in vocabulary and grammar? Is the writing formal? Tip: make proofreading a habit. It's essential for getting those final points. That's a wrap for today. Avoid these common mistakes, and you'll be on your way to a higher score in IELTS Writing Task 1. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel IELTS for more tips and tricks. Good luck with your preparation.